You are welcome back to our YouTube channel, You Crypto Family. In today's edition, we are going to talk about key mining projects. Key mining project, or you call it key blockchain, is a new project that is being mined currently and it has a good potential. So the very first thing you need to know is that once you click on the link below the description of this video, you will find yourself in this particular page. So the very first thing you need to do is to register, and you notice that your current mining section is at this rate. As you can see, you are mining 0.30k by 24 hours. So you can do well to refer your friends in order to increase your mining rate. And there are two things you need to understand by referring. If you refer your friends, at least 3 people, you stand a chance to start mining BTC. Remember, you can mine BTC in this particular site. So as you can see over here, you can see they said refer and you can mine. If you refer at least 3 people, you'll be able to mine this amount of BTC by 24 hours. If you refer 5 people, you'll be able to mine this particular rate by 24 hours. Just go ahead and check on it once you click on it. And another thing you need to understand is total supply is 97 million. It means the total supply is very, very low. And you are mining this project for 2 years, which we are currently we are on the earlier stage, so you can start mining. There's still time for you to start mining, and remember that KYC have not yet started, but there's KYC step 1, which I'm going to reveal to you. So another thing you need to understand is that the community are to mine 40 million, and the blockchain will have this, and the block time, the amount you earn by seconds is this. So just go ahead and check what was it. And also, here are those who are currently mining, the community that are currently mining. So it means it has a good potential. So go ahead and start mining as early as now. And another thing you need to understand is the KYC section, which I told you. As for me, I have verified my KYC step 1, which is this is my Gmail verification. So do well to click on this key verification. Once you've done that, it will take it. As for me, I have completed. For you, it will present to you a captcha. Once you pass the captcha, they will ask you to input to your Gmail, and they will send you a code on your Gmail, and you go ahead, copy the code and paste there, and to be verified. Just simple as that. So when we are waiting for the further information of this, because this is step 1 verification, step 2 is coming, and step 3 is on the way, step 4 is on the way. Just hold on. So let's go back. And another thing you need to understand is that there are many people who back this particular project, which is these people: Coin AI, Coin API, and Coin Market Cap, and no node. All these people are good projects out there who are backing this project. That means this project will have a good potential. So if you have not started mining this project, do well to check on the description of the video. You'll get a link there, then you start mining right away. So, and secondly, if you want to check your time zone, you can check your time zone in this particular place. If you want to check the current time of your country or of your region, you can check it through this particular place. So that is how it works. So do well to participate. If you want to refer, you click on this referral link, then you copy your code, then you refer your friends and your family. Here will be the code that you can copy. Your one may be different, but as for me, this is my code. You'll see this code on the description of the video. Then you do well to join as early as now. So start mining, because this project has good potential. Do well to subscribe if this is your first time of coming across this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we upgrade an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So be safe and be blessed.